Hi, my name is Suji Harrington, and I'm going to be discussing the art of creating a couture dress. To describe this process, I'm going to use an example from a video by Noda Howe on the creation of a Dior dress for Process 5. A well-renowned couture designer named Christian Dior once stated, "The detail is as important as the essential is. When it is inadequate, it destroys the whole outfit." In this presentation, I'm going to be discussing the preparation of the dress, then the building of the dress, and then finally the construction of the dress. But first, I want to explain what couture is. Couture is made-to-order design for one way, or for private clients. Each piece the designer creates is one of a kind. Couture is only produced in Paris by a select few designers. Couture pieces are mostly made by hand. The work of couture is legally protected term. A fashion house can only label themselves as a couture house of the French Ministry of Industry, when in the title. Now we're going to be talking about the first process in designing a couture dress, which is preparation. Sketches are sent to the florist, and the florist creates the marking, which is the base of the dress. A florist in the Dior atelier explains her part in the process. She states, "When the sketch arrives, I prepare a telephone flowers to reproduce the forms in the sketch. Flowers is very important because the flower becomes a reference to each piece of the dress." Another example of the use of flowers is from an article by a custom bridal designer named Jennifer Cooper. She explains that one of her processes is to produce a mock-up dress out of flowers to get an accurate fit. Now we move on to the building of the dress, which is one of the longest processes in the creation of the dress. Dress makers start to cut the fabric for the dress. Some of the tools they cut are written for tubing. For the rest of the tools they cut, patterns of dress are then threaded into the tool, so the fabric doesn't catch any magic. Then, while they are doing like ateliers are doing that, the embroiderers began to start the embroidery. Squares of tool are created for the embroidery. The squares are marked so the fabric doesn't fit the tool. Then the squares are marked with names of the dress. The embroiderer places the embroidery on paper to be approved for this are sent to the embroiderer. The embroiderer adds the spool that has been cut into squares to a loop and starts the embroidery. The loop is used to make sure the embroidery isn't precise. Another example of the loom technique is shown in the video by Camille, where they show an embroiderer using this technique. Now we move on to the dress construction. Once fabric is cut out in the design of the dress, simple and simple organza is added to the fabric. This process is called integration. Then the fabric is pre-spun by an iron. Then the tailors layer tulle on the red fabric to create patterns. The layer of fabric is pre-spun to create patterns. After the fabric is pre-spun, the tailors start to add the larger piece of the dress to the dress to start the glazing. And then we move on to the print stage. While ateliers are adding the fragrance to the dummy, pleaters are giving the piece for the piece. An atelier of Dior describes the process. He states, "The tool is wedged between heavy pleating paper and folded by hand from left to right. The pleats are then put into when the pleats are sent back to the tailors, the final stitches and the final construction of the dress step. Dressmakers add the piece to the fabric, and the bottom of the skirt is essential. Ateliers start to add finishing stitches and details to the dress to make sure the execution is perfect. It took the team of ateliers about 16 days to create this one dress, and each process of the creation was done by hand. My goal for this presentation is to show that the creation of a couture dress is very complex and detailed and